Alright, so we are done with the one question added up here. Okay, now again you can select the new question if you want to type your own question, and again all those four options will be given to you, like you want to ask a fill in the blank question, you want to an open-ended question, checkbox, or poll type question. So now let's try the teleport option. So I want to select copy a question from someone else's quiz. So this search box appears, find an existing question. Here you can see. So let's say I want to search for computer science questions, and let's search. So here you can see the list of computer science questions comes up. I can click on any of the quiz and it will show the preview of all the questions available in the quiz. So let's say functions names are always followed by parenthesis. I want to add this question. So here you can see an add button right above this question. You just need to click on this add button, and this question will be added to your. You can see here question 6 teleported. Now when I click over here, and you can see question 2 function names are always followed by parenthesis, true or false. This question has been added. Now let's say you want to edit this question, like say for this question the timing given is 15 minutes and I don't think it requires more than 5 seconds, so I can obviously change this setting from here, like say 5 seconds. And if I want to add more options to this, then I can edit this question and form it accordingly. Okay, so if you don't want to make it a true false type question, then you can obviously add more answer options, or you want to add a special function, or you want to add an audio. So all these functions are available, or you want to convert it into a checkbox or open-ended question. Alright, so you can convert it from here and then you can save it. So here you can see we have created 2 questions and you can create n number of questions here. Alright, so when you are done, let's say we have created these 2 questions and we are done with our quiz, and we have only 2 questions in this quiz. So I'm clicking on done. So this was the quiz editor, and now it's going to name our quiz. So if you wish, you can add a title image for this quiz, because it is going to be an interactive quiz or interesting, engaging. So images and links and audios, visuals are really make it interesting and engaging. So you can set up an image here if you want to. You can select your language in which you want to publish this quiz. Alright, then you can select for the grades, for which grades it is. Let's say university, and if you want, who can see this quiz, you can set it to public. It can be visible to everyone, or if you want to share it later with your students, then you can keep it with yourself. Alright, so let's say I want to keep it public and save. Now this quiz has been saved to my quizzes. This is my dashboard, and you can see here my quizzes option. So here we have 2 options. We have discussed these two: create a new quiz and find a quiz. The next icon in my dashboard was my quizzes. So in my quizzes section, this quiz one that we have just now created, these two I have created earlier. So this quiz right now we have created is available here. Alright, so now if I click on this, I get a variety of options what I can do with this quiz. Okay, so first thing is I can duplicate this quiz if I want to copy some of the questions to another quiz, or I want to share this quiz with another class. I'm going to show how to set it for a class. Alright, so you can copy this quiz. Okay, then you can share it with other instructors. If you want to share it with your fellow colleagues, then you can share this with your instructors by clicking on and entering their email IDs. You can share it. Alright, then next option is obviously print, and you can delete this quiz. Okay, now these 3 options: play live, assign homework, or practice. So these 3 options we are going to discuss now.